Welcome once again to my channel. In today's tutorial we will learn how to glow effect in Photoshop. We are going to use selection tool. You can use one of your favorite selecting tool. Then you can start to select the flower. After selecting, you can now duplicate layer by pressing Ctrl+J. Then select background layer, but you have to deselect the flower because we don't need it. Deselect the flower because we don't need it. Then go to select and mask and refine using selecting tool. After refine the selection, hit OK. Duplicate layer of background layer and create mask. You can rename the layer. Then go to background layer and choose exposure. Then go to the flower layer and you can change name to grow and turn it into a smart object. Now duplicate layer and make a group and name it glow. Then select the top and group and put it into screen. Now go to Gaussian blur, make the radius to 5 pixels. Now you can duplicate the layer and click Gaussian blur and make it 15%. Make another copy and go to Gaussian blur and now make it 150. Repeat the same process, but now make it 300. Now go to background copy and then go brightness and contrast. Decrease brightness and increase contrast accordingly. Go to Hue Saturation, click Colorize and click Clipping Mask. Make saturation to 100%, then select the color you want. Again, go to Hue or Saturation, then click Colorize and then enter the same details you used in the first attempt. Go to Blending option to underlying layer and subtract dark cursor and drag it to the right. Again, go to Exposure, decrease the exposure, and close it. Click Ctrl+I and then select the brush tool and make sure the background layer is white and black. Make float to 15%. Then start shading in parts where you don't want light. Duplicate the layer and increase lightness. Put layer mask by pressing Ctrl+I. Select brush tool and then start painting the parts you want to be shiny. Then go to Hue layer and make a new layer at top of it. Select brush tool and right click and choose Special Effects Brushes and select Kyle's Spather brushes. And then go to brush setting panel and click on spacing and click OK. Go to flower and paint to make it glow. Convert to Smart Object and duplicate layer, and then go to Screen. After that, go to Gaussian Blur, make it 5%. Duplicate to another layer and click in blur of the layer you have duplicated, make it 15%. Then select all three layers and put them in one group. After that, click to Hue or Saturation. Click colorize and click clipping mask and make saturation and hue same as others. Now you can see the change. And then you can choose the color by choosing all hue or saturation color of all layers. And please subscribe to our channel and put on bell icon to be notified whenever we publish new video. Thanks for watching and see you soon. Bye.